Today we have Dr. Sarna Didania ma'am, Director of Bhagwan Mahavir Center of Advanced Research, Center 4. So good morning ma'am, and thank you so much for giving a chance to College Dunia, and we are a pleasure to with us. Ma'am, can you give me a brief introduction of yours so that student can know you and about university?
Myself, Professor Dr. Janaya, Professor and Head of the Department Quality Assurance, as well as Director, Bhagwan Mahavir Center for Advanced Research. I joined this institute since 2012, along with whenever this institute and university that comes into the private university, Bhagwan Mahavir University. So, university wants to start a PhD department. So, from that, I will be in charge of that director, Bhagwan Mahavir Center for Advanced Research.
Being you have a director of Bhagwan Mahavir College of Pharmacy and Advanced Research. Throughout your professional career, what is the best key factor that keep you connected with the education sector?
Research and innovation is, I would like to say, that is the key factor that helps to connect with the education sector. Why? Because research and innovation in any of the discipline, that is the driving force to encounter the society problems, and hence they improve the quality of the life of the individual. So that research and innovation, that is the key one that helps me to connect with the education sector.
The director of Bhagwan Mahavir University in a PhD, what is the philosophy and leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
So to provide the mentorship to the researcher. So what a researcher can need, that is the provide mentorship and guidance from the higher authority. So starting with the inculcating the different research qualities, starting from the critical thinking, continuous learning, persistence, adaptability, accountability, so that to develop that all research quality into the all research individual. So that helpful to the researcher to complete the successful journey of the research, and hence they contribute to the society.
What are the roles and responsibility of the director of Bhagwan Mahavir Center of Advanced Research?
PhD, that is the curriculum. So Bhagwan Mahavir University offers the PhD program into the several disciplines, starting with the different departments of the engineering, computer application, management, commerce, education, pharmaceutical science, sciences in that chemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, English, and planning. So starting with the first stage, that is to conduct the PhD entrance exam. So whenever anyone that wants to pursue their PhD, so first stage, that is to clear the PhD entrance exam, and then one can go for the research proposal presentation. Then let's describe in brief what is the PhD journey. So after completion of that both part, that is PhD entrance exam and research proposal presentation, one have to have the provisional admission into the PhD program. Into the first semester, they have to go through the one program, that is the PhD course. So in the two subjects that are specified by the UGC, that is research methodology and research and publication methods. And third one, that is of the specialization subject. So 6 months they have inculcated that different research qualities, and that helps them to for the selection of that particular fine research problem. Then their actual research journey will start. That will be around 3 years duration. So every 6 months, as the researcher, the PhD supervisor, along with the team, that is the DPC expert. So every 6 months, they have to go for the presentation. First stage, that is of the selection of that particular research problem or the title. Then they continue with the research work, and at the end, they complete the research journey along with the 2 paper publication or patent. And then one can go for the synopsis submission, that is of the pre-thesis, and final, that is of the thesis submission. So this is the in-brief journey of the one research scholar. So here I am helping along with the PhD supervisor or PhD coordinator to make the journey of this research scholar, that is of the so smooth way. So in a specified period of time, researcher can complete their PhD.
What would you like people to know about Bhagwan Mahavir University that they may not know?
So Bhagwan Mahavir University, from 2019, we have started the PhD program under the name, that is of the Bhagwan Mahavir Center for Advanced Research. So we are proudly saying that our 28 research scholars, they are awarded with the PhD degree. At present, around 150 students into the different disciplines. They are at the different stage of the PhD program. So I ask everyone to once visit the Bhagwan Mahavir University, different departments of our university, meet our PhD supervisor, PhD coordinator. So here we are working into the teamwork and supportive environment, starting from the PhD supervisor, PhD coordinator, research director and research dean to make ensure that is of the journey of the PhD program that should be the smooth way, and at the end they have the success in their PhD program.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dharna Dedania, ma'am.
Thank you.